It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And as we head into Thanksgiving tomorrow, just want to get a couple, things kind of not really updated, but just more so confirm that what I've been talking about is still indeed the case. And like I've said, nothing bad is going on. Sure, it's a little boring, but by no means am I saying boring in a bad sense. I fully realize, just kind of going sideways like this is not nearly as exciting as price action that's, moving like that, or price action, where it's really, skyrocketing like that. But you just got to keep in mind and ask yourself, well, where is this sideways action happening? It's happening up here, whereas, previous times, the price kind of went sideways down there. Key point down there. It's happening higher and higher. And from the big picture perspective, that's what it's all about. If you care about the overall trend, then you care about, well, as long as prices are building higher bases and as long as that sideways action is happening at higher bases, then that's, what truly matters within, the grand scheme of things. And that's exactly what's going on right now. So sure, it's been boring, but by no means boring in any sort of bad way. Unless, of course, that I suppose there is perspective. I mean, if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you're hoping to sell within 12 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's kind of frustrating. But even at that point, it's not like the price is that far even above that point. So, yeah, things aren't really going up like they were, but they're consolidating all at higher bases. That's the name of the game. In regards to kind of the channel pattern that it's currently in, top of the channel pattern up here at $3.25. And then bottom of the channel pattern down there at 285. I do want to add in just one more kind of near term level of support, which sits right there at $2 and about 95 cents. So ideally, if the price can hold above there, that would be best case. But if it doesn't, you still have, the bottom of the overall channel down at 285. So just chugging sideways, building a higher base. So we'll see what happens. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great Thanksgiving.